Segment Sheish Nikud Shtaim Nikud Beit. Ha'oniya Yatsa'a Meha'ir. Ha'oniya Yatsa'a Meha'ir. In this segment, you'll be able to retell what was done by a woman or a feminine gendered object, such as a ship. In order to do this, we'll want to be able to convert a third masculine form like Yatsa, he went out, rendering it instead as Yatsa'a, which means she went out. Incidentally, the shava that has appeared under the second radical, in this case the tzadi, the shava is vocal, Yatsa'a, not simply Yatsa. As this form is introduced initially here in this segment with tables, you will find a small vertical stroke to the left of the first kamates. That stroke is known as the meteg. It will not routinely appear, however, in other portions of the textbook. The meteg is a Masoretic cantillation mark. Would you like to see a sampling of a number of verbs which are rendered so that they mean she and then an activity in the past tense, the katal conjugation? First, achala, achala. This means she ate. Halacha, halacha. The meaning is not provided here. You can probably recognize it as you study the third masculine singular and the shoresh. Let's continue. Zachara, zachara. Yarada, yarada. Karata, karata. Katava, katava. Lakacha, lakacha. Matzah, matzah. Nafala, nafala. Nasa'a, nasa'a. Avara, avara. Shavara, shavara. Shachava, shachava. Shamara, shamara. Let's turn our attention to the so-called hollow verbs. Notice how they are formed. Kama, kama. Meta, meta. Sama, sama. In the verbs ending yod-he, third yod-he verbs, we can find a new element surfacing in third feminine singular of the katal conjugation, namely the suffix ta. Tav kamates he. For example, banata means she built. It arises from the shoresh bana, beit nun yud-he. Let's look over these examples of third yud-he verbs. Banata, banata. Asata, asata. Ra'ata, ra'ata. Shatata, shatata. Segment Sheish Nikud Shtaim Nikud Gimel. Snapshot of a sample verb. The katal conjugation for third feminine singular, as usual, shown with the sample verb shamar. Shamara, shamara. This means she guarded.